Alright, today's problem is this door was not latching. It was like it would get here and it would hit, and it was hitting right here to right here. Okay, so what needed to happen, see, like it was hitting this rim with this right there. So I moved it outwards just a little bit with a washer there, and it's a bit troublesome. You might spend half an hour messing with this thing, getting frustrated because the threads back there, you have to rotate them so that the threads of this will line up with the threads of those, because if you don't have it rotated right, it'll be too high upwards. I think I have the round side on the left. And here's the tool that I used. Just like that to hold it. And that totally fixed it. Nice. Alright, enjoy.